Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's make the easiest, most delicious sweet cornbread. Alright, let's make the easiest, most delicious sweet cornbread that you will ever make from scratch. I'm going to start by adding 1 cup of this fine yellow cornmeal. I like to use the Goya brand. You can use any brand that you like. And if you can't find fine yellow cornmeal, regular cornmeal will work just fine. However, it will alter the texture just a little bit. So I'm going to add 1 cup of that, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of complete pancake mix. Now, before you raise your eyebrows, hear me out. Pancake mix is basically just flour with baking powder, sugar, salt, dehydrated egg, etc. So it has everything that you need. Then I just have to adjust my other ingredients and I'm good to go. So I actually figured this out on my own because I went to go make cornbread one day and I realized that I didn't have regular flour. So I'm like, okay, what can I use since I don't have regular flour? I don't even have cake flour. I'm like, oh, I'll use pancake mix. And it worked out great. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of white sugar. I'm going to mix that to combine. And what I love about quick breads such as cornbread, banana bread, etc. is you don't have to be so meticulous with the measurements. All right, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of some baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix that up to combine. So I'm basically just adding the ingredients for the cornmeal part because the pancake mix already has everything. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. Try to make sure that your egg is at room temperature if possible. This is going to help your egg blend better in the batter. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Half a cup of vegetable oil. And then with my wooden spoon, I'm going to mix everything really well. And I'm just going to make sure that I'm not over mixing my batter. So give it a good mix until it's nice and well combined. So for this recipe, I was able to get 11 sweet cornbread muffins. However, if you don't want muffins, you can make this in an 8x8 pan. Just make sure that you grease your pan really, really well. And so since cornbread doesn't have as much gluten as regular muffins, you can overfill your liners. Usually when you're doing something like cupcakes or like some other kind of muffins, you usually only fill them up about 3/4 of the way or halfway. But here you can fill them up pretty generously and they will not overflow. And then once all of my liners are nice and filled, I'm going to go ahead and bake these at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. And after about 20 minutes, my sweet cornbread muffins are done and they came out amazing. Super soft, spongy, moist, just delicious. And they pair really well with something like chili or as an afternoon snack, whenever you like to have them. They came out really, really good. And I hope that you guys try out this super easy recipe just in time for the holidays. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. As always, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that notification bell because I do come out with fresh new content regularly. Until next time.